Alright, hello everyone. Ethan here from Working on Farms. How Farms Work Farm Day. I've been having a blast. I just got done talking with Travis, Ryan. They're great people to talk with. I've just been having fun. I mean, yeah, it was a 3-hour journey, but I think this is great. So I'll walk around a little bit, show you my perspective, my thoughts. And first off, I'm right here by the John Deere 4020. Then move up to Travis's 7600. Then my favorite out of the whole fleet is John Deere 4640, 8235R, and that's Andrew from WS Ag. Moving on down to the Moco and all the other equipment, and Sloan's is here, Carl F. Stotts, Rhino. But I don't know, let's climb up in the 82 here. Haven't been up in this one yet, but I can tell you right now, this is a pretty cool looking tractor. I can tell how it's fairly easy to drive too. This looks really easy to drive. I mean, pretty cool. That's Ryan's truck. Alright, looking at the 82. I've been up in the 46 and the 76. It's all pretty cool. We'll move over to... Yeah, it's been fun. I've been having a good time, and I hope the lighting's okay on this video. But I did get all permission from Ryan. He's go ahead, feel free, and pretty fun. Travis's cultivator, corn planter. Here got a 630 disc, and a 566 baler. The Moco is I'm not exactly sure. Time. Okay, I ain't got much time. That's a 735 Moco. 630 disc. Grain carts. Yeah. Very nice bill carrier. Move over to the corn planter and cultivator, and yeah, this has been, I'm standing out in the hayfield that he had marked out for this event. So the 3 pieces of equipment from Carl F. Stotts, plus the other little tractor they got with the shuttle going up to way up in there. I mean, it was like a half mile just to get up to park. Andrew's got, I think, Ryan's drone. There's their Earthmaster, the Rhino, the rake, the blade, and the tedder. So we'll pause here for a second and duals for the 46 and the 7400. Here's the combine. It's a big machine. So, there's their gator. So, I don't know. It's been fun. So, check you guys later, and it's been fun. See you later.